Your today's topic is understanding media. As we have discussed this chapter before, in previous class I have discussed this chapter, but today I am going to start it from the very beginning. You can say just like recap of the topics which we have discussed in the class, and then I will repeat the next topics. Okay. First of all, define media. What is media? Name of your chapter is Understanding Media. So, what is media? Media means medium. Media means medium through which we can communicate in the society. And there is two types of media: print media, electronic media. Listen again, media means medium. Media means medium through which we can communicate in the society. Two types of media is print media, electronic media. Now, what's print media? Which are the examples of print media? Newspapers, magazines, these are the examples of print media. Television, radio, these are the examples of electronic media. So this is about media and its two types. Next, role of technology. I have discussed these topics. I have already discussed in your previous class. I have discussed these class. I have discussed these topics. So next is role of technology. Technology played great role. There are various developments in the field of technology. This is only because of technology that you are attending your online classes by sitting at home. This is only because of technology. Only because of technology we can listen, hear, watch news of the different parts of the country or of the world by sitting at our home. We can have knowledge about the different events that are happening in the different parts of the world by sitting at our home. It's only because of technology. I have told you before that it is only because of technology you are attending your online classes. So next is, it's in the field of technology. These days, various developments are occurred. And today, we can't imagine our life without television. अगर टेलीविजन ना हो घर में तो बोर फील करेंगे, वी पीपल फील बोर. So we can't imagine life without television. So media is source of entertainment, knowledge. Media provides us knowledge and source of entertainment also. So today we can't imagine our life without television. It is only with the help of television we can spend our time. बोरिंग जो टाइम है ना, आप घर में इमेजिन यू आर अलोन एट होम, पेरेंट्स कहीं गए हैं, तो आप अपना फेवरेट कार्टून चैनल कुछ भी लगा के आप बैठ जाओ, यू कैन स्पेंड योर टाइम. ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ टेलीविजन. मीडिया हेल्प अस in providing information or knowledge. So this is about role of technology. Next is money and media. I have discussed this topic also. ये टॉपिक भी मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस कर चुकी हूँ. इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर आई हैव डिस्कस दिस टॉपिक आल्सो. मीडिया एंड मनी. तो टू सेट अप टीवी स्टूडियो और सेटअप एनी, हम कहें कि कोई भी चैनल जिसको न्यू सेटअप करना है, it needs lot of money. To set up studio is very expensive. Technology media using is quite expensive. So from where does the money come? Government is not paying for this. From where does the money come? There are various reporters, news reader, sound recorders, cameramen, and from gatekeeper to each and every employee, TV channels have to pay them. So from where does this money come? No, government is not paying, I have told you. No salaries are given to the reporters by the government. It's only the channel has to pay them. So from where does this money come? This money comes through advertisements. Media generate money through advertisements. Media gives advertisements of the various products. While seeing your serials or cricket matches, you can see different types of advertisements, and advertisements are repeating again and again. Advertisements repeat होती रहती हैं. They repeated the advertisements again and again. Why advertisements get repeated again and again? So due to advertisements, they want to create companies that advertise their products. They want to create a demand of the product among the people. So advertisement companies pay lot to media to show their advertisements on their channels. In this way, their products in the markets become popular. Demand of the products, advertised products, increased in the market. So advertisement companies also earn huge profits, and they pay lot to media. And from this money, media pay its employees that work in its studio or channels. Media pay from that money. And I have told you also, technology which media is using is quite expensive. So from this, media generate money. The main source to generate money is advertisement. So I think it's clear to you, money and media, technology. Technology, so you can write, no need to learn, take examples from the book. You can give latest examples. It's only because of technology these days students are attending classes at home. You can give example, ये technology है. ठीक है, next, आप ये भी by sitting in our home or in our room, we can get knowledge about what is happening in the whole world. हमें knowledge मिलती है, what is going to be happening in the whole world, हमें पता चलता रहता है. So next, money and media, this you can also write. Next is media and democracy. This we were doing on that day. I left the chapter here on that day in your previous जो भी आपका पीरियड लगा था, previous जो we were doing then, democracy and media. So India, all of you know it very well, India is the largest democracy in the world. And in democratic countries, media is totally independent. It is not under the control of government. Media plays its role in an independent manner. Media highlights the problems faced by people and show it to the government. Media wants solution for the problems faced by people. And sometimes government make laws, policies, which are not in the favor of the people. Then people can protest. As India is a democratic country, when laws, policies are not in the not in the favor of the people, then people have full right to protest by giving call of Bandh, dharnas, signature campaign. So media cover those events and show it to the people how protests are. happening in the different parts of the world regarding this policy made by the government. In this way we can say, so this is in this way we can say media is totally independent. On television you can see various debates and discussions held among the political leaders. Sometimes on one side there are the political leaders of ruling party, and on other side sometimes there are the political leaders of opposition party. So various debates and discussions are held. So media can highlight those also. Media show these debates and discussions. So media has full freedom. Media can record the events in an independent way. This freedom is given to media, that media can record any event happening in the country. Media can record event. कोई उसे रोक नहीं सकता. These days you have noted about Sushant Singh Rajput's, that how media Republic Bharat channel आप देख ही रहे होगे, how the channel playing its role. These days you notice how they are playing their role, how they are criticizing Maharashtra government, how they are criticizing Commissioner of Mumbai Police. You have noticed all these. So media has given freedom. So next, sometimes I am saying that media is independent in democratic countries, but there are few restrictions we can see on media. We can see few restrictions. For example, sometimes government censor some news items or lyrics of the song and scenes from the movie. These are censored by the government. Media is not allowing to show these to the people. Sometimes news items are also censored by government, and media is not given freedom to show this to the people. This is happening. ये होता है. And we can see the influence of ruling parties also on media. Sometimes we can see the influence of rich people on media. Rich people का भी influence होता है media पे. And media sometimes feel it difficult to say anything about those who give them advertisements, because advertisements the source of money for the media. Media generate money through advertisements. Then sometimes media feel difficult to say anything against those who give them advertisements. So there, though media is independent, but sometimes we can see the influence of businessmen, rich businessmen, or political ruling party का mostly आप note करना hold होता ही होता है. Mostly hold of ruling party we can see. And censorship to ban on media, to put restrictions on media. What do you mean by censorship? To put restrictions on media. Sometimes news items are censored by the government. Sometimes lyrics of songs and scenes of movies are also censored by the government. So in this way, we can say though media is independent, but still there are few restrictions. But still, I want to tell you that in our country, media is playing its role in an independent way, because we are living in a democratic country. Whereas in monarchy or dictatorial form of government, media is not independent. Media can't write anything that spoil the image of ruler. For example, in Saudi Arabia, media is not independent. Media can't write anything that spoil the image of dictator. But in India, media can write against the government. Media has full freedom. If government is not doing its work properly, then media can highlight its failures. In our country, media can highlight the failures of the government, whereas in monarchy and dictatorial, media can't highlight. हम back चलते हैं थोड़ा सा. During the period of British, what happened? During the period of British, when India was under the control of British, media was not independent. Media was totally under the control of British. British did not allow Indian people to write anything against them that spoiled their image. Censorship was passed by British, and they didn't allow Indians to publish those things which were not in the favor of British. But still, Indian revolutionaries, you listen the name of Bal Gangadhar Tilak, his newspaper Kesari. In that, still there were bans, but our freedom fighters, देखो कितने brave थे वो लोग, they wrote against British. They prefer to go to jail, जेलों में चले गए, but they wrote against British. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, in his newspaper Kesari, he wrote about the revolutionaries of Punjab, and he preferred to go to jail. He was arrested and sent to jail by the British. So in this way, but these days, this is not happening in our country because we are in a democratic country. Then under British, India was slave country. India was not independent country then, it was slave country. And Indians had no right to write anything that spoiled the image of their rulers. Rulers means British. But these days, media can highlight the failures of government. आपने देखा ही होगा कैसे गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट भी वो लिख देते हैं अगर गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट डूइंग द सॉल्यूशन, नॉट डूइंग welfare work of the people. So media has full freedom. So this is about role of media in democracy. So next, what role media play? Different roles played by media. Media play important role in deciding what stories or issues to be focused on. तो इसे हम कहेंगे setting agenda. Media sets its agenda. For example, imagine, एक मिनट मेरी एक बात ध्यान से सुनो, listen. For example, आपके स्कूल में फंक्शन है, क्लास एक्टिविटी है, क्लास 7th की ABCD सेक्शंस की क्लास एक्टिविटी है. Then there is no coverage by media. No coverage by media. If there is annual function of your school, then any celebrity or any famous personality is called by your school as chief guest. Then media cover that. Media cover उसको वो cover करेगा, but media will not cover the functions that are happening in your school in daily routine. ऐसे वो नहीं cover करेगा. So media cover only those events where celebrities or famous personalities are called as chief guests. So it is decided by media. Media sets this agenda. Media also brings awareness among us. Media tells us about for example, sometimes media tell us how pesticides are used in cold drinks. I'm not giving the name of the cold drink. You can read from your book. Media tell us about how pesticides are used in cold drinks, how they are harmful for our health. So we should not drink such cold drinks. In this way, media bring awareness. Awareness leke aata hai. But on the other hand, sometimes some issues are ignored by media. For example, these days the major problem which people of India are facing, that is of clean drinking water, and media is not giving news or any record any event regarding this problem. Media is not showing such problems on television or not give such discuss these through its different channels such as through radio. Media is not covering these events. Ignore these topics. Ignore these issues. प्रॉब्लम ऑफ क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर समटाइम्स आप नोट करो कितना को आपको हमें ये बताया जाता है. तो नेक्स्ट, फैशन शोज. एक साइड आप सोचो फैशन शो. फैशन शोज आर प्रॉपरली कवर्ड बाय मीडिया एंड यू नोटिस, आप न्यूज़पेपर खोलो तो यू विल नोटिस दैट फैशन शो फॉर्म द फ्रंट पेज हेडलाइन. फ्रंट पेज हेडलाइन बने होते हैं वो फैशन शो. They form the front page headline, means media cover these events. It's decided by media. Media sets its agenda, which issues or which stories it has to focus on. So fashion shows form the front page headline, but On the other hand, media ignores the problems faced by people in the slum areas. What are the problems faced by people in slum areas? Media ignore. वो चीज़ें इग्नोर फैशन शो इज कवर्ड बाय मीडिया बट प्रॉब्लम्स फेस्ड बाय मीडिया वो प्रॉब्लम्स फेस्ड बाय पीपल इन स्लम्स यू नो बैकवर्ड एरियाज very poor people where live problems faced by people in slum areas are mostly ignored by media. So sometimes media is giving fake news also. Fake news are also given by media. These days become difficult for the people to rely on this news or not, because fake news are also not appropriate news are given by some channels also. These days ये बहुत पॉपुलर हुई हुई हैं बातें. हाथरस केस यू हैव नोटेड, है ना? तो न्यूज़ तो बच्चे आप जरूर सुनते होंगे. यू आर एट होम एंड बाय आप पढ़ने के साथ साथ टीवी तो देखते हो. और ये तो मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट भी आपको, आप न्यूज़ चैनल्स जरूर लगाया करो. न्यूज़ से इन टच रहना है आपने, ठीक है? न्यूज़ आपने रोज सुननी है, चाहे 10-15 मिनट निकालो, न्यूज़ सुननी है. आप बड़े बच्चे हो, न्यूज़ सुना करो. तो हाथरस केस, राजस्थान में पुजारी वाला केस, यू हैव नोटेड डिफरेंट चैनल्स जो है ना, उन्होंने डिफरेंट व्यूज दिए. डिफरेंट व्यूज वर गिवन बाय डिफरेंट चैनल्स रिगार्डिंग दोज न्यूज. डिफरेंट चैनल्स नो गिविंग डिफरेंट न्यूज रिगार्डिंग सुशांत सिंह राजपूत केस. सो पीपल गेट कंफ्यूज कि किस पे बिलीव करो. So in this way, I'm saying that media is not, sometimes media is not playing its proper role. So media, fake news and proper news are not shown by media. So in democratic country, media should play its appropriate role. Proper news and true facts should be shown to the people. And people should also think before reacting. React करने से पहले सोचो. Is it true? They have to consult other. They have to consult the event with others. They have to read the newspaper or watch other channels to make it clear, is it true? Is this news which is given by such a channel is true? So people should also use their brain. They should also not react quickly. They should firstly try to get the facts. They should collect the facts by consulting with each other. They should not react immediately, because sometimes मैंने अभी बोला fake news are also given. अब भी आप नोट करो, कोई चैनल कुछ कहता है, कोई कुछ, तो इट इज कौन है प्रॉब्लम किसको आ रही है? ओनली टू पीपल. People are the sufferer. They do not get proper information. So in this way, in the end, I want to tell you that media should play its proper role and give true facts to the people. So this lesson has only one question at the back, only one question which you have to do in your homework copy. Role of media in democracy, and I have discussed it. Okay, I will discuss it again. First of all, listen the topics which I have written on the blackboard. You have to do these topics also, but not in homework copy. I'm not going to give you the written work. This is, it's better to learn. It's better to read your book and have idea. No need to don't waste your time in writing. Write only one question which is given at the back of your book. That is your homework. Okay. And here some topics are written. They can come in paper. तब मुझे नहीं कहना कि पेपर में क्यों आए. Not given at the back. You know it well. Paper always is given from the book, not from the back exercises. First is define media and also writes its two types. I think when I will upload this recording on YouTube, you can do this topic. You will do, no problem, you will do. You are very intelligent student, you can do. Define media and its two types. Next is write the role of technology. ठीक है ना? So how to start? We will start like this. कि टेक्नोलॉजी विच मीडिया इज यूजिंग दीज डेज इज क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव, बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है वो टेक्नोलॉजी, यू नो इट वेल। टेक्नोलॉजी मीडिया इज यूजिंग दीज डेज इज क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव। जाके एक विजिट करो किसी चैनल, मम्मा को बोलो। अभी तो बच्चे जब ट्रिप लेके गए थे ना, तो हम लेके गए थे अपने स्कूल के बच्चों को अजीत न्यूज़पेपर, जहाँ पे अजीत अखबार प्रिंट होता है ना, वहाँ पे लेके गए थे, उस प्रेस पे, अजीत वालों की प्रेस दिखा के लाए थे बच्चों। बट ड्यू टू कोरोना अब तो वो अलो ही नहीं करेंगे बच्चों को लेके आओ, बट यू कैन गो विजिट विद योर पेरेंट्स। अब जलंधर दूरदर्शन देखो कितनी टेक्नोलॉजी, कैसे वो कितनी एक्सपेंसिव होएगी, हाउ टू सेटअप टीवी स्टूडियोज। अब टीवी न्यूज़ तो सुनते ही हो, तो आप उनके पीछे स्टूडियोज देखा करो ना कैसे होते हैं। सी देयर स्टूडियोज, आज तक वालों का देखो, रिपब्लिक भारत, आप वो जो और कौन सा एबीपी न्यूज़, ये देखा करो सारे इनके टीवी स्टूडियोज देखो। इट्स क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव टू सेटअप स्टूडियो। तो मनी कहाँ से आएगी? ये सारा टेक्नोलॉजी में, आई हैव टोल्ड यू बिफोर, नो नीड टू राइट फ्रॉम द बुक, यू कैन गिव एग्जाम्पल ऑफ योर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। जब मैं पढ़ती थी, आपके मम्मा भी जब पढ़े हैं, तो तभी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस थोड़ा होती होंगी, तब ये था ही नहीं सब कुछ। तो टेक्नोलॉजी इज प्लेइंग ग्रेट रोल दीज डेज। वेरियस डेवलपमेंट्स आर हेल्ड इन द फील्ड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, वेरियस डेवलपमेंट्स अकर्ड इन द फील्ड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी। तो पेरेंट्स के टाइम में पूछो उनको कभी ऑनलाइन क्लास, जूम पे क्लास लगाई थी? नो। आप बच्चे लगा रहे हो, ठीक है। आपने देखना कितना फेमिलियर हो जाना है इस टेक्नोलॉजी से। तो एक तो ये एग्जांपल दे सकते हो इन टेक्नोलॉजी, और साथ में एक एग्जांपल यू कैन गिव बाय सिटिंग एट होम, वी कैन बी इन टच विद द होल वर्ल्ड। only because of media we have become the member of global world, we have become the member of global world। इतने बड़े वर्ल्ड के हम मेंबर हैं बिकॉज हम इन टच हैं, हमें प्रॉब्लम्स पता है, व्हाट आर हैपनिंग इन अमेरिका, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी हैपनिंग इन चाइना, ये हमें अपडेट मीडिया रखता है। नेक्स्ट इज मीडिया एंड मनी, यू कैन राइट, आई हैव टोल्ड मीडिया एंड मनी, पे करना होता है रिपोर्टर्स को, न्यूज़ रीडर को, sound recorder, cameraman, gatekeeper to each and every employee media has to pay. And from where does the money come? Government is not paying money to them. Money comes through advertisements. Media generate money through advertisements. Advertisements companies pay lot to media. So this you will write. In this way they earn huge profits. Advertise प्रोडक्ट्स जो होते हैं ना, उनकी डिमांड मार्केट में बढ़ जाती है, तो कंपनीज आल्सो अर्न ह्यूज प्रॉफिट एंड दे पे लॉट टू मीडिया। बार बार एडवर्टाइजमेंट दिखाना, क्यों एडवर्टाइजमेंट बार बार दिखाते हैं? टू क्रिएट अ डिमांड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट अमंग द पीपल। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मुझे अभी वेदांती दिख रही है, और भी बच्चे बहुत दिख रहे हैं। वेदांती ने एक फेयर एंड लवली की एड देखी, तो वेदांती के पास घर में 10 करीम्स हों, है ना। वेदांती ने मम्मा को कहना मुझे तो फेयर एंड लवली ही चाहिए बिकॉज दिस इज यूज्ड बाय योर फेवरेट सेलिब्रिटी, जो भी उसको लेके आ। घड़ी की एड आई गिवन बाय अमिताभ बच्चन, और आपके घर में कोई और सर्फ यूज हो रहा है, तो एक बार तो जरूर ध्यान जाएगा कि घड़ी लेके आओ बिकॉज एडवर्टाइजमेंट इज गिवन बाय अमिताभ बच्चन। तो ऐसे, तो इन दिस वे दीज एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स क्रिएट अ डिमांड ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट अमंग द पीपल, दे अर्न ह्यूज प्रॉफिट्स। Advertisement companies earn huge profits and they pay lot to media, and from that money media pays its employees. Media and money में, media and democracy, तो this बहुत है इसके बारे में points. I have told you so many points about media and democracy. Censorship to ban on media. I have not written here censorship, but this can also come. Censorship means to put restrictions on media. 1975, 1977 में इंडिया में emergency लगी, आपने पेरेंट्स से पूछना, emergency लगी थी इंडिया में during the period of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, and then their restrictions on media were imposed by our government. Freedom of media was taken by our government in 1975 to 77. Emergency, during the period of emergency, freedom of media was taken by our government. उस टाइम मीडिया के पास फ्रीडम नहीं थी, ठीक है। सेंसरशिप में आपको बताना है टू पुट रिस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑन मीडिया। आपको पूछा जाए विच वर द वर्स्ट इयर्स व्हेन फ्रीडम ऑफ मीडिया वाज टेकन इन इंडिया आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस, तो आपने बताना 1975 टू 77 इंडिया में मीडिया की रिस्ट्रिक्शंस पे, मीडिया की फ्रीडम पे रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लगी हैं ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर Indira Gandhi. And this emergency was declared by President Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. तब वो president थे and declared by President Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Next is, इसके बाद आपका आ जाता है मीडिया एंड रोल ऑफ मीडिया इन डिफरेंट फील्ड्स. अवेयरनेस लेके आता है. मीडिया ब्रिंग अवेयरनेस. टेल अस अबाउट द कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स विच आर यूजिंग पेस्टिसाइड्स and bring awareness that these cold drinks are not good for health. फिर आप बता सकते हो मीडिया फोकस्ड ऑन द स्टोरीज. मीडिया प्ले इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन डिसाइडिंग विच स्टोरीज टू बी फोकस्ड ऑन. सेटिंग मीडिया सेट्स इट्स एजेंडा. कैसे वाले प्रोग्राम्स वो कवर करते हैं एंड विच आर इग्नोर्ड. अगर तो उस पर हमने बुला, इमेजिन हम आपके घर में कोई फंक्शन है एंड आपने उसमें ना शाहरुख खान को बुला लिया अपने घर में, तो देखो कैसे सारे जितने जलंधर के चैनल, जितने पंजाब के, सब आपके घर में होने हैं चैनल्स वाले कवर करने के लिए वो न्यूज़, ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ शाहरुख खान. बस वो फेमस पर्सनैलिटीज़. या एक पॉलिटिशियन को बुला के देख लो, बुलाओ कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह को, या किसी एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर. अब सिंगला एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर हमारे जो है ना मिस्टर सिंगला, उन्हें बुला लो, उन्हें बुलाओ. देखो कोई फंक्शन पे, देखो कैसे प्रेस कवरेज, कैसे मीडिया कवर करने आता है. तो मीन्स मीडिया डिसाइड करता है विच स्टोरीज और विच टॉपिक्स इट हैज़ टू कवर. एंड मीडिया इज फुल फ्रीडम टू कवर द इवेंट्स. फुल फ्रीडम है कवर करने की. ये नहीं है मीडिया को रोका जाता. आप नोट नहीं करते थे रिपब्लिक भारत के जो रिपोर्टर्स थे उन्हें रोका जाता था नॉट टू कवर दीज टॉपिक्स, बट they have freedom. उनके पास थी freedom. they covered each and every topic issue. तो next is role of media in different fields. में आप यही सब कुछ बताओगे क्या क्या रोल प्ले करता है. awareness and sometimes few issues are ignored by media. which issues are ignored by media? ये उसके drawbacks भी हैं. अगर कोई चीज़ अच्छी है बुरी भी होती है. नो डाउट मीडिया इज प्लेइंग इट्स गुड रोल, बट कहीं ना कहीं वो गलत भी करता है. क्या गलत करता है? मैंने अभी बोला दीज डेज वी आर फेसिंग द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. तो ये कहीं ना कहीं इग्नोर है. ये इशू इज इग्नोर्ड बाय मीडिया. फिर मैं कह रही हूँ फैशन शो तो वो कवर करते हैं. आप न्यूज़पेपर खोलो, उसमें फ्रंट पेज पे हेडलाइन अबाउट फैशन शो यू कैन सी, बट कहीं ना कहीं कहाँ पे गड़बड़ है? प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ द स्लम्स आर नॉट शोन. वो नहीं दिखाई जाती. तो इस वे से मैं बोल रही हूँ समटाइम्स मीडिया इज नॉट डूइंग इट्स वर्क प्रॉपरली. And sometimes fake news are also given by media and true facts are not given by media. तो sufferer कौन है? People. उन्हें proper information नहीं मिलती. So in that we can say कि media should play its proper role. इसे अपना proper role play करना है and give proper news to the people. Media should give proper news to the people. ठीक है. So this is up till here, and try to do question answers in your only one question I have told you, and try to do these topics. Okay, you can write in your rough copy. These topics you can write in your rough copy. Don't waste in doing these in homework copy. Better to learn, better to read your book thoroughly. Okay, so please do these topics, and tomorrow I will discuss question answers maybe from chapter tribes, nomads